Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back. I am so sorry I've been away for so long and it is time. It's an AI world and so I want to show you one of these apps that I've been using. And this app is really useful when you are uploading your video into YouTube and you don't want to write descriptions or you don't want to write title or hashtag or tag whatever. These apps have it all and I love it. I've been using for probably like about a year now, guys, and I love it. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So I have my YouTube here, and if you have a video and you want to post something in there, so what I recommend is when you upload video into your YouTube channel, do not public yet. So you want to put it like unlist for now. And then when you unlist it, you YouTube upload it and everything, and then you can come to over here and then you can copy the links right here, and after that come here and you can paste the links right here in that Taja Ops right there, and then you can write something here. So add the contacts, right? So you just write something here. So I'm like, Ginger is helping something, you know, whatever, can describe it to your video, right? And then you click it right here, and then you choose the tones, like what kind of the tone you want to like pick. I will put it maybe click, you know, and my video very professional, so I'm gonna put for professional, but you can pick it all you want. So I kind of pick 3 right now, and then you can choose language, and my video is English, so I'm gonna choose language, and then I'm gonna click analyzing it, and we'll just take a couple maybe minute to generate it, but after it generated, it's very easy. So you just transfer it into your YouTube, and now it's done. You know, I like probably less than 1 minute. Here we go. So now this came up with you know, this is what I am like the transcribe that I give it to them. However, here this is coming up, and will give me the title, and the title is only give me like 90%. So I can regenerate it again if the title come with is only 90%. You want something that they want to give it to you like 100%. So I'm gonna do it again, so optimize one more time to get 100% score title. So it's gonna take maybe less than a minute, but the video is gonna be get a bit longer if it keep going like this. I may want to speed up, but I want to show you the whole entire video so you don't have to miss anything. So I just want to help you with this. By the way, thank you so much for subscribe and follow and like my video. I appreciate it, everyone. It's been so long. All right, now it's come up. Let's see. So they said that, you know, this is the transcribe already there, and see, now we get 100% viral score. So they give you like a viral score, and this is a percent that we get. Okay, and then come down here, you will see the description that will go into the video, and also get the hashtags and the chapters. Everything's in here. Also, you already have the tags here, and if you want to add more tags, you can't. However, you can create the thumbnails as well. Okay, so this is the thumbnail, so I will just click here and generate thumbnails for my video. Taja just have an update that you can actually editing your thumbnail. So you want to add text, you want to add color into your thumbnail, you also can do that. And if you're gonna watch until the end of this video, Taja, this app actually you can upload from these to TikTok. So you can create a short from your long video, and then you can publish it in short or into TikTok. So that is one of the incredible thing that I really like. All right, let's see. So now this is what it come up with a thumbnail. I do not like it, so I'm gonna go do it again one more time to see what they can give it up. I'm gonna generate it a couple more times, guys. I know this video getting very long, but I hope you don't mind to follow me with this one. And so yeah, so been so long. It's gonna take some time, guys. Probably like a couple second, a minute to generate the title. But if you want to make sure you get a perfect title for your video, you don't want to have something like, why you want to have a dog with a ginger around? I don't think I like that idea. Okay. It seems like but just play around, guys. Looks like it doesn't give me a perfect ginger, I mean perfect the title that I'm sorry, thumbnail that I was looking for. I'm gonna choose one of these, but I'm gonna try one more time. Coming up, well, okay, you know what? I like this one better. As you know, it's this one look weird, but this one look more legit, look more cute. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna download this. Okay, and all right, and now you can over here you can send your to your YouTube. So you see your YouTube was unlisted, right? So you want to click it on unlisted, and then will be transferred automatic to your YouTube. Now it said it successfully, and now we get here, and now your YouTube, your title is right here, your description is right here, and you can now just put your thumbnail in there, and here we go, it's right here already. So I always clear up, or let's see what they have here. So this is not an AI, I make it from the real. And here is the tags that's already there. Everything is in there, guys. So all you need to do is just save it, and you can public before you save, or you can save before public, however you want. I'm gonna just do this. All right, now your YouTube is ready public with the perfect title, perfect hashtag, perfect descriptions with the chapter, and everything's already. Okay, this is what another thing that I want to show you guys. This one, okay, here we go. When you see here, oh, you see this right here, said, how can I move this away? You in my way. I'm recording this, and then this thing is in my way. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. So you said, they said a view short, so you can generate short from here, and from here you will see the video descriptions. What is your short about? It take about 1 minute, and then you can public it here. So this is how you generate short in Taja, and this is how you public it. So right here you can public it, and when you public, they will asking you if you want to include your TikTok channels or YouTube channels or Facebook and Instagram. So you can actually do this right here. So you can include your this is my TikTok, I can do that. I can go into my Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube. You can upload short into that. So yeah, that is, guys, this is one of the apps that I use, and I'm really highly recommend it. And if you buy this app, I will get a small commission if you want to. I'm not looking for it if you don't want to. What I'm looking for is you to get your YouTube running and get success, and you get a lot of money. And if you like my video and you want me to make more videos about AI, please let me know, and I will create more video and more all these tool that I've been using. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, so that it's give me a lot of love and care that, hey, you know what, have people out there really want me to make a video. So I will try my best to make a video for you as much as I can. For now, I hope you have a wonderful day, and take care, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.